In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change date and time on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings, then tap at general, and that's where you can easily find date and time. Just tap on it and you will be taken to this page where you can easily change date and time. So first off you can change time format. Now it is set to 24-hour time. If you want to switch it to 12-hour time, you can just turn off that switcher. Also, if you want to set custom date and time, you need to turn off set automatically, just like that, and then you will be able to change current time, just like that, and also current date. And then if we go to our lock screen, now we see that we have just successfully changed current date and current time. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.